Hello everyone. This video we are going to look what is trading suspension as well as trading halt. Okay, and why it is required, why it has occurred. Okay, and how many days it will lead and how many hours. These all detail we are going to look in this video. This will be helpful for the beginners, and couple of viewers also ask me what's the reason these kind of suspensions as well as halts will be happened. Okay, so all the viewers, this video for you, you can make use of it for the beginners before going to invest in a market. Okay, let's see. Okay, what is trading suspension? For trading, in a sense, the stocks are buy and sell. Okay, and for suspension, in a sense, it's called for temporary removal. Okay, right, in a corporate also you can look, there should be a temporary removal available for the staff. Okay, so that is called suspension. As the same way, in a stock market also, for a particular stock they will suspend in a temporary basis. You can't do anything else for during the suspension period. You can't do for any trade open. Okay, you can't do for any edit actually which you already raised the order, and you can't close also such kind of suspension period. And some stockbroking, there should be an option is available, you can cancel the order. Okay, or you can cancel, and some cases you can edit but it will not execute. Okay, but most of the cases these things will happen during suspension period. Okay, and this is also happened for a couple of stocks only, and not for a particular exchange. All the stocks may not happen. Okay, so when this kind of suspension will happen, these all the reason we can look for later. Okay, I will show you one example over here. This will happen in UAE for last year. Okay, there should be a trading suspension for E7 groups. Okay, for 2 days, that is 3rd May to until 6th May, due to share split. Okay, so until 2 days they not even open the trade, and they will resume trade on 7th May. Okay, this is what the information given. So these kind of information will be coming before. If you're going to take a trade, in a sense, the information will be arrived by the exchange before itself, so you need to check it for the respective news session. This will be in one example. And for the next one, trading halt. Trading, in a sense, the buy and sell, and halt, in a sense, to bring into stop. Okay, this will be the meaning of stop. So trading stop, we call it as trading halt. Normally it will happen for less than an hour, and sometimes it will take for longer also, depends upon the information. Okay, so this trading halt we can see for temporary suspension of the stock. Okay, so right now we can look what's the reason why trading halt happen. Okay, normally we can say trading halt as well as suspension more or less same. Okay, once trading suspension happened, automatically trading halt will be up here. You can't do anything else. Okay, and so what are the reasons why these kind of trading halts will be happen? That only we are going to look right now. So the first which we are looking, in a sense, the main important reason will be the important announcement of news for the respective company. Okay, so if there is any significant order will happen for buy and sell, that's the reason only this kind of halt will happen. Okay, say for example the board meeting happened, in a sense, before that the respective securities will be suspended. The information will be provided by the respective exchange also. If you're going for respective announcement session for ADX as well as for DFM, you could know those details. Okay, so that's the reason the exchange will say whenever the board meeting will happen before trading hours, or else after the trading hours, you can conduct like that. Suppose the company conducting for these kind of meeting during trading hours, in a sense, they will intimate to the exchange, so those particular duration they will halt for the respective trading for a particular stock. Okay, so for the next reason will be changes related to financial health. Financial health, in a sense, it's very important for the balance sheet. So what will be the debt, what will be the asset, what will be the profit, so these kind of information will know if they are releasing for these kind of information, in a sense, so such kind of period also the trading halt will appear. And for the next reason, legal or regulatory development that affect the company's ability to conduct business. Okay, if there is any legal development will be happened, or any regulatory development, say for example any illegal activities will be happen over there. Okay, the insider trades and many fraud happened, or else any circuit breakers. We already posted for a video related to circuit breakers. So such kind of percentage of the stock movement will be high, automatically the trading halt will be appear for a couple of hours. Okay, so in order to strengthen for the stock market, as well as in order to create goodness of the investor also, this will be one of the wealth creation for the investors, and you need to have a positive impact about the stock market. And for the next information will be significant positive or negative information about its product. Say for example, the company based on product. Okay, example you can take it for Tesla. If they are introducing particular car, a new car which a particular model, in a sense, if you are going to introduce such kind of cases, some positive may be occur and some negative also may be occur. So such kind of cases also, this kind of halt happen. In some cases, some of the company are wrong information continuously coming, in a sense, for a particular product. This kind of information also, this kind of trading halt will be appeared. Okay, and for the main important thing, if there is any management changes, okay, board of director or financial chief finance executives, these kind of persons will be changed, and this kind of announcement coming, in a sense, during this time also, respective halts will be appear. That's the reason, if you're looking in the market, after closing the market from the evening session, you will get these kind of information. During trading hours, they not even disclose these kind of information. Okay, suppose the company request you need to hold for the market, in a sense, such kind of information, such kind of situation also, the market will be halt, or else in the exchange also they will take a decision of it. Okay, for halting for a particular security. And major other thing will be the transaction like restructuring as well as for mergers. Restructuring, in a sense, that is what for restructure in order to the boostment of the company's wealth. Okay, so for that they are changing for a particular department, or else the debt reconstruction will be happened. Okay, these are all the things will be affect for the stock price. So keep in mind what all the information will affect for the stock prices. So those kind of situation, they will halt for the respective market. And recently happened for merger also. Say for example, in 2024, Bayonard, this will be the technological company with this based on space technology, they are using for AI. Okay, as well as for Yaxart, this will be a telecommunication sector. So these two related to anyhow telecommunication, these two company merged together, then they form for Space 42. Right now it's trading under ADX Space 42. Currently I think 1.98 for the stock price. So these kind of merger announcement reason time also, the trading halt will be appear. So these are the main reason trading halt or suspension will be occurred in the stock market. During this time you can't do any trade or something like that. Okay, once it has been released, and automatically you can do for trade. Now we can look what are the advantages will be there, why they are doing these kind of things for the particular exchange, in a sense. First thing, it is a goodness of the investor. Okay, once the information arises, you will look for some other social media information, suddenly you will take for the actions. Normally people will say this one: hunger, angry, lonely and tired. So these all for human behaviors. Whenever happen these kind of activities, you will take sudden decision. Okay, so this will affect for the whole stock market, as well as for a particular stock, as well as for the particular company. So that's the reason these kind of things are taken by exchange. It is goodness of the respective stock price. Okay, it will not fall down in 100%, it will not go up for 100%. Okay, there should be a stable in the market is required, and people need to understand what is the information company has been announced. Okay, so they are giving for a time, you need to read and take a decision, and significant time you can take it, and after that you can do for trading. So that's the reason these kind of things will be happen. It is goodness for, it is a critical tool. Okay, trading halt and suspension and all, it is a critical tool for the investor to boost. I think this information, basic information, will be helpful for the beginners. If it is helpful, in a sense, you can subscribe this channel and keep on watch, as well as share to your friends. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.